someone that doesn't know much about boxing, but does know a lot about the blockchain and even more about China is Samson Mow. Samson was the Chief Operating Officer at BTC. Samson, the People's Bank of China, have they banned Bitcoin trading?
I don't think it's a ban. It's likely going to be some restrictions on converting or accepting RMB or CNY at exchanges. But it's not a ban on Bitcoin. I don't think it's also a ban on exchanges per se.
This morning when I logged onto the Chinese exchanges, it seemed like everything was going very well. The volumes are high, there's lots of trades going through, and it seems like it's business as usual.
Well, there's been no official announcement so far. There have been a lot of fake news images circulating around that are showing various things, but so far there's been zero official communications at all.
Samson, you and I have been around for a long time in the Bitcoin world, and this is not the first time that China or the People's Bank of China has threatened and done stuff, but usually it just adds on just a little bit more regulation, so KYC, AML. Do you think this is another one of those cases?
There was a period back early 2017 where exchanges were implementing some new systems. This sounds a bit different. It sounds more reactionary than the previous time. Also, last time there was a lot of official communications coming from the PBOC, and this time there's nothing. So it's a little bit odd. I'm not really sure.
It does seem strange because China are the biggest miners of Bitcoin in the world. They account for a big part of the world's Bitcoin trade. Why would China shut that down?
It could just be due to the hype, due to the rapid price rise that might be disconcerting. Digital currencies like Bitcoin, they kind of paint fiat currencies in a poor light because you see them rapidly appreciating and people think that it's a hedge against the fiat currency.
Bitcoin at under $3,900. Are you accumulating at these levels?
I'm a long-term hodler, so I think it's always a good time to buy Bitcoin. Price movements like these on certain times like these, they are good to shake out the weaker hands and give people an opportunity to get a better price for their position.
Spoken like a true Bitcoin veteran.